At the heart of every adventure is a quest for understanding, a journey through both the external world and the intricate labyrinth of our own selves. This quest, universal and timeless, ushers us into the ultimate exploration of self-understanding. Introducing the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, as our guide, we embark on this odyssey. The MBTI serves as a map, offering profound insights and clear pathways through the terrain of personality. It acts not as a directive but as a reflective tool, shining light on overlooked aspects of our being and aligning our journey towards self-fulfillment. As we venture further, we explore the landscapes of 16 unique personality types, each illuminating a piece of the human spirit puzzle. Delving deeper into the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, we find it to be a compass that guides us through the rich and diverse terrain of human personality. With 16 distinct types, each presenting unique strengths and worldviews, the MBTI mirrors our true selves. Imagine a world where each personality type, from the introspective INFPs to the strategic ENTJs, unlocks our potential and fosters authentic self-expression. Understanding our MBTI type reveals our strengths and challenges, fostering a life navigated with greater purpose. It enhances self-awareness, empowering decisions that resonate with our core. This understanding enriches relationships, career paths, and personal growth, serving as fuel for our journey towards fulfillment. Through the characteristics and strengths of each type, we gain insights into our preferences and interactions with the world, leading to transformative perspectives and undiscovered paths. This step towards deeper self-understanding marks the beginning of an enriching journey of personal growth, with the MBTI as an invaluable guide. Finding your MBTI type is a leap towards discovering the essence of your being. Envision this journey as following a compass to your true north, where revelations about yourself await, transforming your understanding and perspective. This is the gift of the MBTI, offering a personalized guide to your unique ways of thinking, feeling, and interacting. The result? Profound personal growth, enriched relationships, and a clearer understanding of your place in the world. With the power of self-awareness unlocked by your MBTI type, embrace this journey with an open heart. Let it be your guiding star, leading you to deeper self-knowledge and fulfillment as you continue your quest for self-understanding.